So models.dev basically has a list of all the released AI models, and I looked into one model provided by OpenCode. So the name is Big Pickle. So this must be some internal model they are testing, and they are currently offering you that model for free. So it's kind of like a test, and they are training based on your prompts, right? So if you check the input and output cost, it is free, right? So if we go and check the same on OpenCode, we will type in OpenCode to get there, and once you load into the OpenCode, you have to use slash models. And here notice the Big Pickle, it is marked as free, right? It is provided through OpenCode. So internal model. Now I have to test this one up, and there doesn't seem to have any form of official documentation nor the prompts explaining you the benchmark against which we can test. So considering I have coding background, I will put this into test with one of the projects, right? So I would get its code review for one project whose UI seems to be kind of fractured, right? Things are just scattered here and there. So I will get the UI code review. So we will ask create a code review specifically with the UI in mind for this project and explain the improvements so that UI looks usable and easy on eyes, right? So we'll run the particular prompt and it will start building, right? So it will read through whole project and basically suggest us some improvements. Right now, once it does the full review process, I wanted to basically save that into one of the markdown file, or if possible I can put this into HTML file, right? But I have to first try to understand the process it goes through, right? So it is showing current stance, then what it needs improvement with, right? So it is actually going through entire UI. So we will let it finish the whole process. You can see there is also summary table on what needs to be changed, right? So priority, issue and impact is how the table is explaining it. So low ones, then medium, high, and so on, right? We can ask it to save this review, and let's say review y HTML file, right? So considering this is in build mode, it will save that. So if you usually ask it to review, and so make sure to end that particular prompt with the line that save this into a file like markdown file or HTML file. Right, so on the testing part, you can see it has done decent job of explaining what needs to be changed, and it has also pointed out exactly where in the layout things needs to be changed, right? So we will wait till it does the right operation. Some models may not let you write, instead they will offer you the code, then it expects you to just copy and do this yourself. So I will wait till I get some sort of a confirmation whether it is expecting me to do the same. Right, so here you can see the file is stored in this particular location, and let me, so here is the review UI file, and it is like this. So it is explaining the strength, the issues and improvements, and as you can see it has done a decent job on code review. Also saved this in HTML file as we asked. So on that front, you can see the Big Pickle model from OpenCode Zen is doing job similar to other premium models, and it can actually pinpoint the strength and issues with the UI. That goes to show it's not some random open source project that does things and not able to compete with models such as Gemini and Claude. Right, so Big Pickle does have potential on that front.